Sige, unsa nga song ang usual nimo?
Kuan ma'am.
Nagkakanta?
Elton John ma'am, Skyline Pigeon.
As in? You like that song?
Yes, of course.
Sige, pwede ka mag-sample. We have 4:47 pa man. Wait lang. Carpenters or Elton John? Unsa man
Elton
imo?
John.
Elton John. Sige. Skyline.
Pigeon.
Sige. Yes, namula ka. So, Elton John. Sige. Atong ipakanta si... Wait lang ha. Asa mo to ako isa ka phone? Wala maguli akong phone. Sige, dirita sa ko. Na-ambush ka. Pero ka-memorize ka, ani?
Maybe.
Sige. Atong paminawon si... Wait lang, atong i-repeat. Sige, Luis, ambush ni siya na talent showdown. Go, kaya mo yan.
Kulbaan ako ma. Mura kong nalabi sa Voice Kids. Ang sorry ko na. Turn me loose from your hand. Let me fly to distant lands, over green fields, trees and mountains, flowers and forest fountains. Home along the ways of the skyway, for this dark and lonely room projects a shadow casting gloom, and my eyes are mirror of the world outside, thinking of the ways that the wind can turn the tide, and this shadow turn from purple into gray, for just the skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Sabay ko ma'am. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Alam mo? Until we wake up in the morning to the sound of new mown hay, to live and lie, to laugh and cry of the darkness of my days. I wanna hear the pealing bells of distant churches sing, but most of all, please free me from this aching metal ring, and open up the
stage towards the
sun. For just the skyline pigeon dreaming of the open, waiting for the day that he can spread his wings and fly away again. Di ba ni Molan na?
Init ang panahon. Go!
Skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind. Fly away, skyline pigeon, fly towards the dreams you left so very far behind.
Yay! Nakakanta gyud og pinakalit si Luis. Salamat kaayo, Luis. Why kana siya nga song gyud ang una ni abot sa imong hunahuna?
So,
imong kantahon.
Ang akong papa, na siya'y best friend niya. That best friend kay, mo ginayang for lifers kay bali niya, namatay siya niya. Every gathering bitaw kay, kuan siya, muna ila ginakanta bitaw, so gatatak siya sa akong utok nga. Every time makadug ko nakakanta kay, si Uncle Tonyo ako madumduman.
Katong uncle nimo nga na
Best friend ni papa.
Best friend sa imong papa. I see, that's why.